Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a very quick honest review about this AI website called Connecteam. Connecteam is an app for managing your team. Thinking of it as a digital toolbox, it helps you with employees management. You can keep track of everyone's work hours using time tracking. It even helps you with payroll so that you can pay your team easily. You can also give out jobs and keep track of them with task management. So talking about the key features and best features of this platform, Connecteam has some cool tools. They can help you run your team better. These features make it fast to manage tasks, talk to your team, and keep track of everything. So one of these best features is activity analytics. You also have access to this create and launch survey, which help you maximize the work, and the job scheduler, which help you distribute your work together with the create org chart. So you also have access to document management, which help you track of documents, which help keeping track of documents, which is very important. Connecting lets you store files in one place. And talking about the pricing plan, we have the wide range of plan. They have the basic, they have the advanced, the expert, and the enterprise. So if you want more information about the key features of each plan, you can simply get back to the website to know more about the pricing plan. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. Thanks.